This video is brought to you by Discount Garage Doors LLC. You can't say our name without mentioning a discount. Welcome back. It's Michelle again, and it's time for the Discount Garage Doors LLC's weekly multiple choice quiz. Be sure to like, follow, and comment to show your support. If your remote for your garage door opener stops working, what should you do? Is it A, replace the batteries, B, reprogram the remote, C, buy a new one, or D, call Discount Garage Doors LLC? I don't know, guys, this is a tough one. And the answer is D, call Discount Garage Doors LLC. Although all of those options could lead you to finding the cause, the best thing to do would be to call a professional. And when it comes to anything to do with garage doors, Discount Garage Doors is head and shoulders above the rest. Discount Garage Doors LLC are top-notch trained garage door experts that specialize in providing solutions for your garage door needs. Call today and schedule your free same-day service call or estimate. Thank you for playing, and we will see you next week. Discount Garage Doors LLC, you can't say our name without mentioning a discount.